Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We have been talking about the stories of Rijal Ghaib, the details of Rijal Ghaib, and we have also talked about Sayyidina Khidr alayhi salam. Today I want to talk about a story that includes Rijal Ghaib and also Khidr alayhi salam. I know a lot of you have asked me to do a detailed stories of Khidr alayhi salam. You want to know more about Khidr alayhi salam. We are working on that, but in the meanwhile, I want to share with you the story that is reported by Ibn Asakir in his very famous work called Tarikh Damashq. Now, this is an extensive work which is mainly available in Arabic language. At least that's what I know of. Those 80 volumes of work is available in Arabic language. I don't know if anybody has translated that work in a different language or not, but let's get started. But before I get started, I want to give you a slight background of Ibn Asakir. His name was Ali. He's the son of Al-Hasan, who is the son of Hibatullah, who is the son of Abdullah. And he was born in 1105 CE and he passed away in 1176 CE. He was a prominent Islamic historian and scholar from Damascus. His most famous work, Tarikh Damashq, or the History of Damascus, is a massive biographical and historical encyclopedia that chronicles the history of Damascus, its rulers, scholars, saints, and significant events. His work is considered one of the most detailed historical records of medieval Islamic civilization. Now let's get to our story for today. Tarikh Damashq. Ibn Asakir narrates an astonishing event that reportedly took place in Damascus during the time of Judge Abul Hasan Ali bin Muhammad. A pious and devout man was unjustly imprisoned by a tyrannical ruler. While in prison, he consistently prayed during the night, pleading with Allah for deliverance. One night, as he was weeping in sujood, a prostration, a radiant light appeared, and an elderly man dressed in green garments entered his prison cell. The elderly man asked, "Do you wish to be freed?" The prisoner, astonished, replied, "Yes, but how is that possible?" The mysterious man smiled and pointed at the prison wall, saying, "Before the power of Allah, no wall can stand in the way." As soon as he gestured, the solid prison wall miraculously split open, revealing a passage. The elderly man told the prisoner, "Go now, you are free." The prisoner, in a state of disbelief and gratitude, stepped out. Before he could thank his rescuer, the man disappeared. The freed man walked straight to the Grand Mosque of Damascus and performed the Fajr Salah. Meanwhile, when the prison guards arrived in the morning, they were shocked to find the door still locked, but the prisoner missing. The ruler was baffled and launched an investigation, only to discover that the prisoner had been seen performing prayers in the mosque. The news of the miraculous escape spread throughout Damascus. Scholars and spiritual figures of the time attributed the old man's identity to Khidr alayhi salam, a mysterious, righteous servant of Allah mentioned in Islamic tradition, who is known to assist people in miraculous ways by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A story of Rijalul Ghaib. Well, when the matter was brought before the judge, he advised the ruler to take heed and recognize this event as divine intervention. The ruler, fearing the consequences of his unjust actions, pardoned the prisoner and allowed him to live in peace. The story is cited in Tarikh Damashq by Ibn Asakir, who is Ali ibn al-Hasan ibn Hibatullah, passed away in 1176 CE. The story itself is a great example that when Allah wishes to help someone, He will open doors from where you are not even expecting things to happen. The bottom line is, fear Allah, remember, إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. We only worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we seek help from. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make ways for us. If you like the story, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to put the comments in the comment section down below. Even appreciation of the video is something that we appreciate a lot. And please share this video so that more people can benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos and many such series that are awaiting you in the time to come, inshallah. And if you're new on this channel, don't forget to check out the content section so that you can see what work we have done on different subject areas. If you're here because you're interested in Rijal al-Ghaib, then we have an entire series on Rijal al-Ghaib. We have covered close to 7 episodes, and the journey is still going on. And we take your questions, and then we bring those questions, answers on this channel in the form of video. And this video is also a byproduct of a question that was asked on this channel. Well, we take your questions very seriously. If you're not getting back to your questions answer right away, do not lose hope. We have recently released an answer to a question that was asked almost 2 or 3 months ago. When we receive your questions, we do an extensive research and then bring you the answer to your question with the proof and evidences. And of course, as you understand, research takes time. When we have to go through so many books and find things for you. And those people who are with this channel for some time, they know exactly that when we are presenting something, we are providing you with ample proofs. The names of the books, the page numbers, hadith, the numbers of hadith. And I would highly encourage, if you want to get a sample of that work, to watch our video on Dabbatul Ard. That is a 49-minute long video. However, in that video, you can get a sense of that how we present things to you. Our way of presentation is slightly different than other platforms because we believe that the knowledge that is locked in the books must be shared with the masses and with citations and references. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So remember, this particular event highlights the belief that Allah's help can come in unexpected ways, and that true faith and being steadfast in prayer can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.